sought, like Icarus, to fly too high, and far too lonely than he ought, to kiss the sun of east and west, and hold the world at his behest, to hold the terrible power to whom only gods have lust. But me, I am just a man. And every night I shut my eyes, so I don't have to see the light shining so bright. I dream about a cloudy sky, about a cloudy sky. And every night I shut my eyes, but now I got them open wide. You're falling into my hands, and now you're burning me, and now you're burning me. And every night I shut my eyes, so I don't have to see the light shining so bright. I dream about a cloudy sky, about a cloudy sky. And every night I shut my eyes, but now I've got them open wide, shining so bright. I dream about a cloudy sky, about a cloudy sky, a cloudy night, oh, a cloudy sky, oh, a cloudy sky. That's what I say. I dream about that cloudy sky, about
Now we'd like to play a piece composed by the great Dave Brubeck entitled Take Five. Oscar, Abbas, Nafis Khan, Balu Khan, Carlos Enriquez, Dan Nimmer, Dave Brubeck,